Good morning, student. I am Madhu Kushwaha from Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, Pharmacy, Bhopal. Today's topic name is male reproductive system. Reproductive system. There are two reproductive system. First one is male reproductive system. Second is female reproductive system. And these are the uh, parts of the main male reproductive system is the penis, urethra, scrotum, testes, vas deferens, seminal vesicle, prostate gland are the male reproductive part of the male reproductive system. Female reproductive system. Parts of female reproductive system are vagina, cervix, ovary, fallopian tube and uretus. Male reproductive system. The male reproductive system is mostly located outside of the body. The external organ include the penis, scrotum and testes. Internal organs include the vas deferens, prostate and urethra. The male reproductive system is responsible for sexual function as well as urination. There are accessory glands. Ducts then store and transport the gamete. The male accessory duct include rete-testes, vas efferentia, and epididymis and vas deferens are the accessory ducts of the male reproductive system. Accessory glands produce substances that protect the gamete and facilitate their movement, include paired seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and paired bulbourethral glands. Supporting structures such as the penis in the male assist the delivery of gamete. Is the supporting structure is penis. They are the main parts of the male reproductive system is seminal vesicle, bladder, prostate gland, vas deferens, urethra, scrotum, penis, and testicles are the parts of the male reproductive system. Male reproductive system is located in the pelvis region. It consists of a pair of testes, glands, accessory ducts, external genitalia. First one is testes, a smooth organ situated outside the abdominal cavity within the pouch called the scrotum. Help in the maintaining the lower temperature of the testes, which is 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius, which is below than the normal internal body temperature. Each testis is 4 to 5 centimeter in length and 2 to 3 centimeter in width in adult. Each testis contain about 250 compartments called testicular lobules. Each testicular lobules contain 1 to 3 high coiled seminiferous tubules in which sperm are produced. The wall of each seminiferous tubules is lined by two type of cells called male germ cells, spermatogonia, and the Sartoli cells. The male germ cells undergo meiosis, meiosis leading to sperm formation, and Sartoli cell provide nutrition to the germ cells. The region outside the seminiferous tubules called interstitial space contain small blood vessels and interstitial cells or Leydig cells. The Leydig cells synthesize and secrete testicular hormones called androgens. The main androgen is testosterone. Accessory ducts. Accessory ducts help in formation of sperm. The male accessory duct include rete-testi, vas deferentia, epididymis, and vas deferens. The seminiferous tubule of the testes is open into the vas deferentia through Rated testes, the vas efferentia leave the testes and open into epididymis located along the posterior surface of each testis. The epididymis leads to vas deferens that extend to the abdomen and loop over the urinary bladder. Vas deferens receive a duct from seminal vesicle and open into urethra as the ejaculatory duct. The urethra originates from the urinary bladder and extends through the penis to its external opening called urethral meatus. This is the main part of the male reproductive system. Straight tubule, retrotestes, efferent ductules, head of epididymis, lobules, seminiferous tubule. These are the seminiferous tubules, and septa. These are the septa of the testes. Accessory glands. The male accessory glands include paired seminal vesicle, prostate gland, and the paired bulbourethral glands. The accessory glands secrete seminal plasma, which is rich in fructose, calcium, and some enzymes. Secretion of bulbourethral gland also help in lubricating the penis. External genitalia. The penis is the male external genitalia. Some special tissue make up the penis which help in the erection of the penis. The enlargement end of the penis called the glans penis. Foreskin. A loose fold of tissues covers the gland penis. This is the structure of the penis and parts of the penis. Locations. Organ, location and function of the organs. Scrotum is located externally, and their function is support testes and regulate their temperature. Penis, the location is external part of the male reproductive system, delivers urine or copulating organs. Testes, location in internal, produce sperm and male hormones. Seminal vesicles, internal, contribute to semen production. Prostate gland, location in internal, contribute to semen production. The bulbourethral gland, the location is internal, neutralize urine in urethra. These are the locations and their function of the organs. Functions of the male reproductive system. The main functions of the reproductive system is the testes produce sperm and the male sex hormone testosterone. Sex accessory ducts then store and transport the gametes. Accessory glands produce substances that protects the gamete and facilitates their movement, and the penis contains the urethra and passageway for ejaculation of semen and excretion of the urine. These are the main functions of the male reproductive system. Thank you for watching.